Hey guys, happy Tuesday. Becky Thames here live for The Drive at 5, and today I wanted to talk about how I made thousands of dollars with a $14.99 product. So while you're jumping on here, I'm going to share this to my group and share with them exactly how they and you can duplicate what I did. Hey Jackie, thanks for joining. Hey Cynthia. Hey Crystal, God, it's so great to see all of you guys jumping on here. Happy Tuesday, happy Tuesday. So really quick, before I get into how a $14.99 product made me thousands and thousands and thousands of dollars, I want to answer a question that Ann just asked me. She said, I was just at, hey Shireen, she said, I was just at Goodwill and I found a Murano glassware vase and I want to know if I can make any money from it. And this is how you find out. What you do is you take your phone, you type into eBay, you type whatever the tag says, Murano glassware, and then you can click this little thing. It says sold listings, and you can click that, and eBay will tell you the last time an item sold and how much it sold for. So I told her, hey, go to eBay, type in Murano glassware because the tag says it, so she knew what brand it was, and then click sold listings, and it will tell you if it sold, when it sold, and how much it sold for. So items sell online, supply and demand, and if someone's looking for it, and it's the 4 P's again, right? The right product at the right price, the right place, with the right promotion. That's how you sell any type of product, service, offering, anything that you have, right? So how do you like my Amazon Queen my crown? I got promoted from a tiara to a crown. One of my clients mailed it to me from Iowa. Hey Kedrick, man, you need some big boy panties and an Amazon King tiara crown, Kedrick. That's what you need. Okay, so real quick, how do you make $14, one product, $14.99 make thousands and thousands and thousands of dollars? So you remember, when I got started on eBay and Amazon like 5 years ago, and I was ignorance on fire. If you came within 3 feet of me, even today, if you come within 3 feet of me, you're gonna know that I sell on Amazon, I sell on eBay, and if you have a product or service, I can get it on the first page of any of those, right? You're gonna know that. And if you don't know it, then you're gonna know, because I open my mouth, and I talk to people. So if you're taking notes, write this down. Talk to people, 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 right? Talk to people, talk to people. You can never talk to enough people. So fast forward, back in June of this year, every June around Father's Day, we have, my company that I work for, we're a part of an association, and I was at a water conference for my work because I still work a full-time career, right? So usually Big Papa drops me off at the airport, right? Well, this time it was a Sunday morning flight. It was leaving at like 9 o'clock in the morning, so that means that I had to be at the airport at like 7-ish, and Big Papa was not going to leave the boys in the bed and drive me. So that's okay, so I drove myself. Hey, Misty, so good to see you. So I drove myself, right? Well, if you know me, you know my personality. I'm running late, right? Okay, it's like 6:30 or something. I'm just now getting off work, but I'm running late. Actually, my car's out there warming. So remember, I work you guys into the nooks and crannies of my life. And look, because of e-commerce, I have a keychain where I can push the button and my car's warming up while I'm here talking to you, right? So anyway, June 10th, 2018, running late, 7 o'clock in the morning. And would you know it, there's another woman, don't know her, stranger, pulling her suitcase. It's turning over, flipping. We're both trying to get up the ramp to the airport, parked our cars, total chaotic mess, right? Well, I don't know what I said to her, something maybe about the suitcase, but I talked to people, and the $14.99 product that I had that makes me thousands and thousands and thousands of dollars that I got 5 years ago from sitting in my beautician's office, talking to a lady that was in there, telling her about Amazon, telling her about eBay, and she said, oh my gosh, Becky, I'm going to make you a business card. And I was like, okay, look what she made me. Earn money using Amazon and eBay makemoneywithbecky@gmail.com. My phone number, 843-408-0407. I had to make sure which phone number was on there, right? And then makemoneywithbecky.com. She made this for me 5 years ago. Now, a lot of you would say, oh my gosh, Becky, that's just a business card. Business cards are like so 1990s, right? This business card has made me thousands and thousands and thousands of dollars. And just today on my lunch break, it was huge. Huge, huge, huge deal, right? Because of this business card, because that lady that I met on June the 10th, 2018 at the Charleston, South Carolina airport, she's actually a power woman. She's like, she's amazing. So she's not on Facebook. She's never even bought one thing off of Amazon. God, she's an Amazon virgin. Amazon virgin. Never bought any, not only never bought anything online. Never, ever, ever. But she has a very luxurious product. And she hired me to list her item on Amazon. So we're going to have it on the first page of Amazon in no time from these $14.99 business cards, because I gave her a business card on June the 10th, 2018, and somehow, I don't know how, but she kept it crumpled up. I met her at lunch yesterday, and she had it on, she's like, see, I still got your card. This is my card. She had a crumpled up one, but she had it, right? And this was $14.99 at Staples. So, and, yes, Shireen, and I was talking to her, and she's like, oh my gosh, I need this done and this done. I was like, I know somebody that may be able to help you. And so then I referred her to Shireen, and she hired Shireen too. So guys, talk to people, because you never, ever, ever know who you're talking to, right? So talk to people. So what I want you to do today is, I actually, just before, when I got off work, I posted on my wall 2 photos. Both of them are one-day sales on Amazon. Both of them are. One of them is where I sold 1,237 items in one day for total sales of $18,220.25. The other one is my friend Patty's sales, and she sold 1,217 items in one day, so 20 less sales, but her total was $76,203.19. So what I want to know is which one, go look at the numbers. I know I'm just saying them now, but go look at them and comment on it and let me know which one you think makes the most money. Or which one which one would you rather have, and why? I want to know why. I want to know your thought process behind those numbers. So go look at the screenshots. One's mine, one's hers, and let me know which one you'd like. So hope you all have an amazing Tuesday. My car's still running, so that means it hadn't been 10 minutes yet. So I'm off of here. I hope you all have an amazing day. I will see you tomorrow. I have to go downtown and present to the CEO of my company tomorrow. Oh, and another thing, guys, don't be scared of negotiations. Now, the lady that I met at the airport, powerful woman, businesswoman, amazing woman. Yes, Shireen, it depends on the cost of goods sold. That's exactly right. Amazing woman, but I was not budging on my price, because my price is my price. Just like when you list an item on Amazon or eBay, your price is your price, and don't budge on it. Don't budge on it, because people need what you have. So maybe you don't want to sell on Amazon or eBay. Maybe you want to learn how you can turn a $14.99 business card into thousands and thousands and thousands of dollars. I even put this business card, like, if you pull up to a gas tank, I've had people call me because when I pump gas, like if I'm traveling, I'll put this where their credit card goes in, right? And they have to pull it out, and they're like, oh, Amazon and eBay, and they usually call me. I actually have a guy, he still calls me. I have people, my blackjack dealer is on my Facebook friends, my Starbucks barista, the lady at the airport that was in a hurry like I was. Talk to people, because what I have is changing lives, and it can change yours too. So send me a message. And now my car is officially cut off, so I got to go. All right, bye.